Hello, grammar mates! Here again, Teacher Ralph, your grammar buddy. Today, we're going to learn about singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns. What are those? I'm your grammar buddy, Teacher Ralph. And today, we're going to use the book Focus on Grammar 1. Do you have your books? Please open your books. Singular and plural nouns. Nouns. What are nouns? Nouns is basically anything. It's a name of a person, a thing, places, events, and ideas. So, nouns in the name of a person. For example, we have the name Anna and Mr. Brown. Lastly, Jack and Jill. Nouns. These are names. So, these are all nouns. For example, Anna, Mr. Brown, Jack and Jill. Singular or plural? What do you think? Is it a singular or a plural? Number 1, Anna. Is it a singular or a plural? What do you think? Guess. Anna is singular. Mr. Brown is singular. And lastly, Jack and Jill. We have Jack and we have Jill. These are both two different nouns because they are different persons. Do you understand? Good job. Nouns. Name of a thing. Another example is the nouns which are the name of a thing or things. One example is a phone. A phone. Pens. Pens. Cats and dogs. Cats and dogs are animals. They're also things. Are they things? No, they're animals, but they're considered as things. Okay, let's see. What are the nouns here? A phone, which is the phone. Pens. Cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. Let's try to find out which is singular and which are plurals. Okay, a phone is what? A singular, correct. Pens? Pens. Pens are plural. Pens are plural, correct. We have the letter S. We have there, letter S, which means it's in a plural form. How about cats and dogs? Cats is already a plural. Dogs is already a plural form of dog. So, they're both plural. So, we add plural with plural. So, it is a plural. So, nouns of a place or places. For example, we have an island, schools, Japan, and Thailand. Can you guess which are nouns there? Can you guess which are the nouns there? I see. Island, schools, Japan, and Thailand. Japan and Thailand. Can you guess which is singular and which is plural among these? Can you guess right now? An island is singular. An island is singular. Correct. Schools. Schools. We have the letter S. It is a plural. And lastly, Japan and Thailand. There are two different countries here. There are two different nouns. So, it is in plural. Okay, singular means, again, singular means single or one. Plural, how many nouns are there? How many subjects or nouns? We have two or more. Two or more. Remember, singular is one. Plural, we have two or more. Maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. Okay, more than one. Remember, two or more, or you can say more than one. One squirrel, another two. One is a squirrel, and another one is a pig. So we have two different nouns there. Okay. Next, singular. Can you see a koala? Yes. How many koalas can you see? Just one. So we have a singular noun there, a koala. A pencil. Can you see the pencil? Yes. It's carried by the koala. And a pencil has an eraser. So, as you can see, we have a koala, a pencil, and an eraser. So, they're both singular. So, you can say a koala, a pencil, and an eraser. For the next topic, we have plural. How many animals can you see? We have a squirrel and a pig. Squirrel and a pig. And what are the things can you see in front of them? What are those? There's a globe, a table, and an apple. An apple. Good job. Okay. How many animals can you see there? One or two? Correct. There are two animals. Again, we have a squirrel and a pig. How about the things? How many things can you see? Can you guess? As I've said, we have a globe, a table, and an apple. So, singular. Can you say singular? How about plural? Can you say plural? Plural. Singular. Okay. As you can see, singular means one, and plural means two or more. Two or more. Okay. So now, we will know how to differentiate between a singular and a plural. Do you know how to differentiate between a singular and a plural noun? Today, we're going to learn about it. So most of the nouns are added with s to become a plural. So what are the examples of this? Number one, a cat. B, dog. And C, pig. So these are all singular. Yes, these are all singular. How to make them into a plural? So basically, it says most of the nouns are added with s to make a plural. Can you make them a plural? Let's add s. We have, okay, can you read with s? Cats. Good job. Dogs. Correct. Pigs. Great. More examples. Okay, spoons, fork, plate. Again, spoon, fork, plate. Let's add some s. Spoons becomes spoons. Correct. Fork, forks. Great job. Plate becomes plates. Great. Some nouns ends with letters ch, sh, s, ss, x, z, and the vowel o. So these nouns are not added with s, but instead we add them with letters es. Es. Can you say es? What are the examples we have here? Dress, it ends with double S. Fox, that ends with letter X. And mango, that ends with the vowel O. So in this plural, in these nouns, we add them to make a plural with letters es. Es. Can you add them with es? Please? Okay. Dress becomes dresses. Fox becomes foxes. And mango becomes mangoes. I love mangoes. How about nouns that ends with letter Y? Can you guess? We add them with IES. IES. For example, we have lady and baby. Lady, baby. We add them with IES. But first, you need to drop letter Y. Delete letter Y. Bye-bye letter Y. So, drop letter Y and add IES. IES. So, lady becomes ladies and baby becomes babies. Did you get it? Great. And how about nouns that ends with letter F and FE? Can you guess? These are irregular nouns. Irregular nouns. Can you say it? So we add them with VES. VES. But first, the same with letter Y, we delete the letters F and E. F and E. Can you say? Delete F and E. Bye-bye. Bye letter F, bye letter E. So, we add VES. VES. After that, leaf becomes leaves. Can you say it? Leaf, leaves. B, knife becomes knives. And wife becomes wives. Great job. Singular again is one, and plural, two or more. Two or more. Okay, for Unit 2, please open your books on page number 5. Can you open your book on page number 5? Okay, I'm waiting. Good job. Exercise number 1. Can we read the vocabularies? First, a knife. A knife. Can you say a knife? Correct. A student. A student. A teacher. A teacher. A toaster. A toaster. An oven. An oven. Okay, this one is spelled F-O-R-K-S. F-O-R-K-S. Great. Glasses. Glasses. Can you say glasses? Good. Next, Portuguese. Portuguese. Can you say Portuguese? Great. A spoon. A spoon. Okay, next. A teacher. A teacher. Next. A toaster. A toaster. Great. 3 more. An oven. Next is forks. And lastly, we have knives. Knives. Okay, let's read the conversation of Elena and Judy. Elena asked, Judy, what's this called in English? What's this called in English? It's what? The answer in first is a toaster. So, it's a toaster. A toaster, said Elena. T-O-A-S-T-E-R. Can you spell toaster? T-O-A-S-T-E-R. S T E R. Toaster. A toaster? Judy said, that's right. Elena said, and this? Jody replies, it's blank. O-V-E-N. It's what? Correct. An oven. It's an oven. O-V-E-N. And Elena asks, and what's this called? And what's this called? Jody replies, it's a spoon. She spelled S-P-O-O-N. A spoon? Spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Elena, spoon. Okay. And Elena asks, is this a knife? Is this a knife? Is this a knife? Singular knife. Okay. Jody replies, yes, these are knives. So, we have a plural form of knife, which is knives. Knives. And these are forks. Forks. There's a lot of forks there. Knives. And these are forks. There's plenty of forks. Elena says, knives? How do you spell knives? How do you spell knives? Joey spells. Can you spell too? Together with Judy? Okay. K-N-I-V-E-S. Knives. Correct. This is a plural form of knife. Knives. Okay. Elena says, okay. That's right. K-N-I-V-E-S. Elena replies, and forks? How about forks? Can you spell together? Yes. F-O-R-K-S. Forks. Good job. Okay, Elena, what are these? They're G-L-A-S-S-E-S. What's that? Can you guess? Glasses. Correct. Elena replies, thank you. You're a good teacher. You're a good teacher. Great. Now let's go out. But Judy said, not so fast. Say the words in Portuguese. Now I'm your student and you're a teacher. For the next exercise, we have exercise number 2, page number 6. Write the sentences in singular. So, these sentences are already in plural. So, we will rewrite them into a singular form. Can you help me? Great. Okay, let's start with number 1. Can you read? These watches are from France. These watches. Okay, it's a plural because we use the word these. And watches is a plural. And we use the verb to be are. So we change these into this. Can you say this? S. The plural form of this is these. Can you say these? But singular, this. This. Okay, number 1. This watch, not watches, is from France. Correct. Good job. Number 2. This. Okay, remember, this, we use this instead of these. This apple, not apples, is correct. From Canada. Good job. You're learning. Number 3. This. What's the singular form of children? Child. Is from Haiti. Haiti. Okay. And number 4. Oranges. What's the singular form of oranges? Orange. This orange is, not are, because we're doing singular on the counter. Number 5. Singular form of glasses. The glass is, not are, in the kitchen. Do you understand? I know you get it. Good job. Number 6. Make singular into a plural. Can you make it? Yes. Instead of using this, we will use the word these. these. Can you put the word these instead of this? Okay, these. Okay, instead of saying pineapple, you will say pineapples. And instead of using is, we will use the verb to be are. Okay, these pineapples are from Brazil. These pineapples are from Brazil. Great. Next, these, what's the singular, what's the plural form of person? The plural form of person is people. These people are from Mexico. These people are from Mexico. Number 8, these girls are from Japan. These girls are from Japan. Great, good job. Number 9, this knife is from Australia. This knife is from Australia. You will use the word these, not this, okay? These. Can you say knives, not knife? Okay, knives, because we are going to make into it a plural form. These knives are from Australia. Great. And lastly, this teacher is from China. How to make it into a plural form? This becomes these, and teachers, add s, teachers are from China. Did you get it? Good. Okay. Answer exercise number 3. This is for your homework, okay? For the next part of our video, we will answer this in Zoom conference. Let's do our homework. So please answer exercise number 3. Page number 7. Can you do that? Great. Good job. For the recap, again, singular is one and plural is two or more. From singular, most of the nouns are added with s. And for the words that ends with ss, ch, sh, x and z, and also with the vowel o, we add es. And for the words that ends with letter y, we drop letter y and add ies. And lastly, for singular that ends with letter f, drop letter f and e, add ves. Correct. Another homework, please answer exercise number 4, a and an. So again, we'll answer those exercises in our Zoom conference. Okay? So please answer those homeworks and we will check them in our Zoom conferences. Okay? See you again next time. Bye.